Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is making a weird noise, it could be due to a failing fan or hard drive. These components can wear out over time, and if left unattended, they might lead to overheating or data loss. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to avoid further damage to your device. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by flipping the laptop upside down and removing the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to force it, as this can damage the clips holding it in place. Once you have access to the internals, locate the fan, as it is often the source of the noise. Check for any dust buildup around the fan blades, which can cause it to work harder than usual. If you find dust, use compressed air to clean it out. If the noise persists, it may be time to replace the fan. To do this, disconnect the fan's power cable gently by lifting the connector straight up from the motherboard. Remove the screws securing the fan in place. When you have taken out the old fan, align the new one in its position and secure it with the screws. Reconnect the power cable carefully, making sure it is seated correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have replaced the fan, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the back cover and gently press it down until you hear the clips click into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier. To ensure everything is working properly, power on your laptop and check if the noise has disappeared. To prevent this issue from arising in the future, ensure that you regularly clean your device and avoid using it in dusty environments. Keeping your laptop ventilated and free from obstructions will help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.